0 to 40 miles an hour in under a second. The fastest acceleration of any bird of prey. Short, rounded wings and a foot-long tail steer through dense forest with unparalleled agility. Yet even she can be outmaneuvered. Other, much smaller creatures here possess astonishing abilities that can defeat the phantom of the forest. With specialized eyesight adapted to low light, the chickadee is first to spot the airborne threat. And first to raise the alarm. A coded message, broadcasting the hawk's position and speed. Squirrels not only recognize the chickadee's call, they've learned to mimic it. Almost perfectly. In seconds, the warning is retweeted from one animal to another. It relays through the forest at over 100 miles per hour. More than twice as fast as the hawk. Message received, loud and clear. Enemy approaching, low and fast. When the little guys look out for each other, it keeps them one step ahead. You don't have to be big and tough to survive. What you really need are friends. Welcome to the world of animal alliances, where creatures communicate and collaborate in wonderful ways and form the most unexpected partnerships.